Hello everyone and welcome to Investing Angles channel. Today we are talking about TLT and bond market. We'll evaluate different perspectives. First of all, the candle map and some technicals. And in the end, we'll discuss Elliott waves for TLT and also have a look at the spread 10-2 here. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share the word around. This is the candle map of 2, 5, 10, 20, and 30-year yields. What we are seeing here is quite interesting. First of all, I'd like to mention that potentially 2-year formed a double top, a double bottom, and right now is testing its 200 days moving average from the bottom. Technically, if this consolidation may continue for a day or two, and after that I would expect a breakthrough. Speaking about 5-year yield, we have a freshly made bullish cross, 100 over 200 days moving average, and the chances for move higher are significant. And technically this 5-year yield joined 10, 20, and 30-year in the same domain. So the 10, 20, and 30 are moving higher, green candles. So far, so good. Now let's have a look at the 10-year more closely. What we are seeing here is the potential of forming a bottoming pattern here if this green candle closes above the high of this red one. So it's already on the level, and if it moves a little higher today, so that the bottom would be complete. If we look at the 2-day frame, we are seeing a fairly strong 2 candles forming, and plus minus few basis points wouldn't make any difference. So far the 2-day frame is moving above the support. Big resistance could be support lines, and the technicals are supporting this move. And if it moves continue, we might see a strong bullish engulfing on a 5-day frame here in a couple of days. Now let's move on to TLT. This is a TLT picture, that TLT chart that we shared a couple of days ago. It was the original one, but we had it slightly different in a couple of days before. Now what we are seeing is that TLT is potentially moving towards the lower boundary of this potential flag, and if it breaks through, well, the path down towards 82.80 will be open. However, we are still thinking about potential bigger ABC correction here. The wave down is not finalized yet, and if we look at it closer, this is something that we shared yesterday. We are seeing that potentially TLT is forming an impulsive wave down, and this would be wave 1, 2, and let's see if the wave 3 completes. If it's not, then we will be looking for a red scenario. And now let's have a look whether TLT has a support by candles. What we are seeing here is potentially a break below the 50 days moving average yesterday and today's candle. So far it could be both bullish and bearish, but it is difficult to discuss in the middle of the day until we have a closing print. But we can have a look at the bigger frames. This is the 3-day frame. We had a very strong green candle at the top, but right now it is forming a bearish harami entirely within the body of the green candle, and this could be dangerous, could be a reversal point if we see a stronger move down. And from the weekly perspective, we discussed in our weekly report that this candle, the weekly candle, was kind of neutral, and it can flip either way depending on the next one. And so far we are seeing that the bearish engulfing or a similar bearish candle is being formed. However, we will have to be patient and wait until the end of Friday to make sure that that the candle is complete, and now to make any decision going forward. And speaking from the last one, I would like to mention this is the spread 10 minus 2-year yields. What we are seeing here is the very good potential of moving towards the zero line and making the spread negative. So far, this is a 15-day frame, fairly significant, 3 times bigger than the weekly, and it is on track for forming a bearish engulfing candle. If the situation doesn't change in the next couple of days, well, it could be a big and strong reversal. Well, that wraps up our quick update for TLT. Tune in for our channel and subscribe to it, and so that you always know what is happening and what is about to happen. Also, you can check information on our website investingangles.com, where we post our regular updates for the yields, for TLT, and many other instruments. Thank you very much for watching, and happy trading, everyone.